Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the autosave settings in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Then make sure you are in the General tab. Here under General should be all the options related to autosaves. There is the campaign autosaves, which you can toggle on or off, the quick start autosaves, and you can turn them on or off. Likewise, there is the single player lobby autosaves and multiplayer lobby autosaves, which also can be turned on or off individually. Set it up however you wish and then hit accept. After that, you can close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.